How to stop people posting on your Facebook profile. If you do not want any other people to post on your Facebook profile, then here's an easy way to fix this issue. First thing first, move into your application Facebook, enter your login credentials and log in into your specific account. Once logged in, it will land you on this page. Now you simply need to head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside your profile, click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. Click on Settings and Privacy and then move into Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and inside Audience and Visibility, you have to move into Profile and Tagging. At the very top, click on Who Can Post on your profile. If you have set the settings to Friend, then set to Only Me. Now, none of the people on your Facebook will be able to post on your profile. So this is simply how you can fix it. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.